how to configure standalone MAC Authentication Bypass or MAB and single host mode. When you actually configure MAB on a port, the default mode is single mode. And I actually have a document here that I found, which is very useful. So you've got single host mode. Aside from single host mode, you only have multi-domain authentication host mode, multi-authentication host mode, and multi-host mode. But I'm just going to configure single host mode and of course standalone MAB or MAC Authentication Bypass. So standalone MAC Authentication Bypass is an authentication method that grants network access to specific addresses regardless of 802.1x capability or credentials. As a result, devices such as cash registers, fax machines, and printers can be readily readily authenticated, and network features that are based on authorization policies can be made available. Before the standalone MAB support was available, MAB could be configured only as a failover method for 802.1x authentication. All these I got from cisco.com. Uh, Standalone MAB is independent of 802.1x authentication. And MAB uses the MAC address of the connecting device to grant or deny network access. To support MAB, the Radius Authentication Server maintains a database of MAC addresses for devices that require access to the network. MAB generates a Radius request with a MAC address in the calling station ID attribute 31 and with a service type attribute 6. Um, yeah, after a successful authentication, the Auth Manager enables various authorization features specified by the authorization policies, such as ACL assignment and VLAN assignment. And these are the summary steps on how you configure MAB, standalone MAB, and single host mode, which is default by default. I'm going to say default. So I'm going to use this topology, and I'm just going to configure switch one in this case. I'm not going to configure supplicant and authentication server or the Radius server. So I already have the AAA and AAA configured. I can just do show run here, done, and this is also done, this part. And now I can just configure the port itself. So let me just, yeah. So I'm just going into the port, authentication, port, auto. And here, this is where you map. Yeah, this is where you configure MAB. And that's it. So of course, I'm not able to do these verification commands because I'm just, doing the configuration on the switch. So, but I'm just going to try these commands anyway. Okay. also this one and this one. So you can see here that it says map details for this port, um, MAC auth bypass enabled. Show MAB interface. Yeah, same thing actually. So yeah, that's how you can configure MAB on a switch. And again, this here AAA configuration is one of the prerequisites when you configure MAB or standalone MAB and single host mode. And of course, yeah, I found this document here. Uh, yeah, already talked about this. And I also found this sample configuration for standalone MAB. So almost the same thing, uh, except that this port has spanning tree configurations as well. Yeah, that's how you can configure standalone MAB or MAC Authentication Bypass using single host mode, which is default.